They say that if you are born poor, it's not your fault. But if you will die poor, it's your fault.
Yes.
Sabot mo.
Yes, sir.
Kung ipanganak ka, napobre ka, pili na nimo sala. Pero kung namatay ka, napobre gyapon ka, sala na. To Sir Ramil Habonero, Public Schools District Supervisor of Leon High School, to Mama Linila Plazos, the principal of this school, sa tulong dato na na-agree, tulong pa, dato mambalansi, so dato sumusunod, Alberto Salahan, dato man Angel, of course po Ma'am Shirley Layog, the better half of our very supportive and staff regional director, Brigadier General Ricardo Layog. You know, this is also a time that we're very happy that Sir Rick ay nakasama namin sa dito sa Region 10, but this is not the first time nagkasama. Kaklase kami Ma'am ni Sir sa schooling way back 2014 sa Krami in investigation of Sir's basic course. Now, September, malapit na September, medyo lulukot din kami at paalis na si Sir. Hindi na napigilan dahil hindi na tuloy yung supposed to be batas na kasi kung kami mo ipiliin, gusto namin na RD si Sir, layo pa rin. At pwede ba natin mahangyo ang mga sa retirement ni Sir na sila i-tribute na dance dito sa during the okay? Of course to si Sao, siya lang tumatayong president ng Kapanang Ladies. And sis Maripe, well, thank you for coming over. Of course, to my one and only to Dr. Mary Joy Canon Abatin, ma'am, thank you for supporting this activity.
Sunod ang grade 8 girls? Naman sa grade 10 mo girls.
Are you happy? Yes. Mga ka-glanabs, all in all the students, 250 students. Given ng mga school supplies.
Ang girls, wala ka nakapag ma'am. Kaya yung iba, naghanap ka na kamasahe.
Hello! Good afternoon. Now, Glenn Abs, mayroon akong kakausapin. Kumusta ang pag-aaral mo dito? So, since this is a public school, lahat dito libre, right? Dito ba kayo nakatira? Dito sa community na to? Dito ka nakatira? Okay. So, meaning, dito sa loob dito, nandito yung tirahan nyo? O kumusta ngayon na experience mo nitong outreach na to? Ano ang naging experience mo? Anong masasabi mo? Masaya ka ba? O ano yung excitement na yun? Ano yung saya? Pwede mo explain kung anong saya naramdaman mo?
Masaya ako dahil marami akong mga kaibigan dito at mga babae rin.
Okay. So at least, di ba? Lahat kayo nakatanggap ng school supplies, right? Tama ba? So doon pa lang naging happy ka ba sa mga natanggap mo so, di ba? Nakita niyo si Minnie, Mickey, right? So nakatanggap kayo ng school supplies at nakipagsalamuha kayo sa iba-ibang bata pa, tama? So at hindi lang 'yon. The good thing, mayroong magtuturo sa inyo na from Manila, ibang school, that's international school, natuturuan pa kayo para sa kaalaman pa na madagdag sa inyo, tama? O, so okay ba? Masaya? Anong masasabi mo sa kanila? Sige, salamat sa oras, salamat at mag-aral pa ng mabuti kasi sabi nga ni Jose Rizal, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Miss Jess, how are you today? Yeah, you're good? Not tired anymore? Not yet. So, okay. So, today, since you're part here ng outreach, okay, here in Bukidnon, how's your experience so far?
It's been really fun, and I love learning about all the other tribes in Bukidnon. There are 7 tribes, and all the kids are really nice and really fun, so it's been fun for me because they're having fun too.
Alright, so, what can you say about this student? It's a lot of student here.
Yeah, there's a lot of students, but later there'll be less, so more manageable.
I think you have prepared the program for them, right? In a while?
I'll be with Ches, and I'll be doing beadwork with them.
Alright. Good morning. Alright, it's an honor na, makausap natin one of the founder of MIIS, right? So, si Ma'am Joy Canon Abaki. Good morning, Ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Grateful morning today.
Alright, very cold morning. So, Ma'am, yesterday for the outreach. So, very successful ang nangyari. So, ano po ang na-observe niyo since you are the doctor of education sa mga bata? So, ano po ang observation niyo sa kanila?
Yung mga bata, una-una, it was very nice na meron tayong lugar sa Pilipinas na we are giving value to the indigenous people, and that the Department of Education, the local government, even the police force, the ladies, that they all understand that the key to getting these children out of poverty, giving them hope, giving them an opportunity to make their lives better is through education. Parang it's very nice idea that the help comes from different forms. There is form for food. Okay, so meron ding form na you need to sustain because they aim to be a sustainable farm. So kailangan turuan din ng mga bata kasi of course hindi naman pwedeng lahat donors, pero kailangan ng lahat ng kahit anong tulong. So kami, as a school, we recognize that education is a powerful agent of change. And if you are an IP, one of the problems is that para kang disempowered kasi feeling mo everything against you
Yes.
Poverty against you, social against you, parang wala kang pag-asa. My personal dream as an educator is to develop leaders for sustainable development. Napakahirap nung salita kasi sustainable development is so big, but it's essentially just social, economic, and as well as environment, So, ito perfect. We were able to help them understand themselves, and then we equip them na how the young children now can market, no, in social media their products. So we hope to bridge that as a youth entrepreneurship project. Our kids have a Kids Can for Kids by Kids project, and hopefully we can also empower them to better their lives. So yun yung talagang napaka makahulugan at napaka meaningful na afternoon and day that we spent with them. So excited kami, and we are hoping that we can get more people to be part of this project because it has a wide scope. It is 7 tribes, indigenous tribes of Bukidnon, no? And by allowing the children to be educated, we are not just addressing some social issues, but we are also addressing peace and order. And I think all Filipinos should be part of this solution.
Right. So ma'am, kung may chance ba, babalik ba kayo sa kanila, for example, in-invite uli kayo here for another outreach. May chance ba na babalikan nyo sila, from nakita nyo sa nangyari yesterday, and then, pagbalik nyo, please, the difference kung anong makikita nyo, may chance pa ba kung sakali?
Yes, kasi we always try to do things sustainably, no? The fact na dinala na namin lahat ng produkto nila, no? Nakabit-bit na balik sa Maynila. So I guess there's going to be sustainable relationship. That is the goal. Now whether we will need to address what is the space or the greatest need that we can help them with, no? So obviously right now it is really to think about how to help the school elevate their educational practices, as well as understand how they can their farming is just at the very beginning. So we'll see, we can invite experts to come in and help the students as well. So I think it's not just being able to come back, no, but more importantly to be able to sustain a proper relationship with the key stakeholders of that school.
Yeah. Actually, I also spoke to Colonel Kulaway yesterday. Sabi niya, i-continuous naman nila. For example, mawala man siya dito, ipagbibiling niya kung sino yung susunod para continuous ang mangyayari sa mga bata. At sabi ko, sir, grabe, napaka ang puso sa mga ganyan. At yung mga bata, nakita natin yung kasiyahan sa mga mukha nila. Kahit ako po, naramdaman ko, napakaswerte ko sa nakita ko yesterday sa kanila.
Kasi po, to sustain the school, the education is there, no? But to sustain the daily, no? Ang sabi sa akin, 3 sacks of rice a day.
Opo.
Oo. So, that's 100% based on donors, no? To sustain that. So, I think at the very basic, yung kanin, kailangan meron sila, no? Yung gulay, tanim-tanim, pero hit or miss rin. Pero walang mga protina, which is chicken, no? So it's really a whole ecosystem. It's a whole ecosystem that binigyan na ng tamang foundation at ano rin sa akin parang gumaan din ang loob ko, no, sometimes the police force is underappreciated because of all of the the things that you hear in social media, no, but dito on the ground, at least in Bukidnon, the provincial director and the regional director of the PNP are very much invested in these indigenous people, no? They recognize that their job for peace and order is also rooted in education. And nakakatuwa kasi no fanfare naman, no? But they're trying to really sustain to make sure mapakain man lang yung mga bata.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for your support.